Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a Google Apps function that will take data from a Google Sheet and then generate a series of draft emails. So you can see here is the rather verbose log, which is exactly what I wanted. I'm going to go to this spreadsheet here, dismiss that, refresh the page, and email tools. I start that, running the script, and you can see draft created. And now I go into my draft email, and I should have 4, maybe 5 draft emails, 1, 2, 3, 5, which matches exactly the number of emails I have here. So if I open them up, you can see that all of the details are there. Mike Brown, deluxe widget, 4 of them, and the total cost. So that's pretty darn cool. I've already got the code here on as a gist, and I encourage you to go ahead and create your own draft email generator from Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If this is useful, please hit the subscribe, like, or share button. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.